What's up, everybody? Back out at the lagoon again. I was here yesterday with my ultralight setup and made a video out of that you may have already seen. Out here using hookup baits again. Rod and reel and line details will be in the description. Yeah, let's not delay. All right, first cast. There we go. I think he swam into a rock, but I'm gonna get down there. Oh. Yeah, he did. He swam into a rock, but I know I can get him. I can still feel him on there. Oh, dude. There he is. Got him out. All right. Sweet deal. Little calico. Like I said, get out here, do a little ultralight fishing. It's good, dude. Good stuff. There we are, guys. All right, let him go. Oh, yeah. I love this. This is super fun. All right, coming back here to start. Well, not really start, but I usually don't come back here till the end. Looks kind of crowded, but I'll see if I can get one. Current there is way too strong for my light setup. So get back out here and fish some calmer water. Oh, that one. Except he swam into the rocks. See if he'll swim out. There we go. Got him out. Sweet, that's what you do, guys. A lot of times these guys will swim into the rocks. Go. All right, well, I didn't get his gills. He was bleeding all over the place. That was kind of weird. I had him in the bottom jaw. Hopefully I didn't nick his gills. Godspeed, buddy. That little sand bass also was burping up a 2-inch Berkeley Gulp sandworm. So it obviously ate somebody's sandworm recently because it was coughing that up when I was unhooking it. Tiny sand bass. All right, buddy. Peace out. Catch, photo, release. Those are the best. Get the fish back safe. Get a quick pic for the old IG. There we go. Got another one. All right, this time, spotty. Got the trifecta today. That's good, dude. I got sand bass, calico bass, and a spotty. Good stuff. Like it. It's good stuff, dude. Ah, gill plate got me. Gill plate got me in the finger. Peace out. Oh man. All right. Well, let's get into that time. Oh yeah. All right, sweet deal. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Hookup baits to the rescue, man. All right, here we go. Got it out. Whew. All right, y'all, that'll do it for today. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Subscribe if you want to. Thanks for your time, guys. It's always appreciated. Catch you next time.